that around 32 cars were seized, जिसमें आपका बेसिकली ये सारे एक्सप्लोसिव आइटम्स जो थे ये थे, एंड these guys were planning to do this on a huge scale on 6th December, because 6th December is of course the Babri Masjid demolition day, and they wanted to make it significant कि हमने उस दिन इनका वो कर दिया, and they wanted to plan this around in all the major spots in Delhi. So that was the actual plan of theirs that got busted.
Right. Yeah,
Yeah.
this was a massive operation. जितना भी हमको अभी तक news आई है, what we can at least tell that this was a massive operation planned across multiple states involving many people. And the fact that our security agencies have been able to reduce it to a small blast in Delhi, even though people lost their lives and that's a tragedy. But the fact that our security agencies have been able to reduce it to a small blast so far, that's massive kudos to them. This is the security agencies, and we were talking about this on the podcast on Tuesday, that the security agency have to have the most thankless job on the planet. Because देखो आर्मी का क्या है, आर्मी एटलीस्ट इज वेरी पब्लिकली फेसिंग, उनका उनका जो काम होता है वो बहुत पब्लिकली दिखता है कि ठीक है भाई हमने बम गिरा दिया जाके पाकिस्तान में, वेल डन आर्म्ड फोर्सेस, एटलीस्ट दैट जो उनका काम है वी कैन सी इन फ्रंट ऑफ आवर आइज, सो दे कैन गेट क्रेडिट फ्रॉम द पब्लिक. विद these खुफिया एजेंसीज, इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज, इनका काम होता है कि stop the attacks and do not be noticed, right? That's their job. Don't get noticed, do the work. So they are running around the country 24 hours at 24/7, stopping attacks in many different states. And the only time that the intelligence agencies come into focus or get any national attention is when a blast happens or when an attack happens. Then people are like, क्या कर रही थी सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी, इनको कुछ काम धंधा नहीं है, कितनी घटिया सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज है हमारी.